The juicer machine, model 5.4-inch, stands out with its wide feed chute, which accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, eliminating the need for pre-chopping and enhancing juicing efficiency. Equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor and a 6-spiral auger, this juicer effectively reduces juice oxidation while ensuring quick and easy juice extraction. Operating at 50 revolutions per minute, the slow masticating technology of this juicer preserves essential vitamins, minerals, and fibers, delivering nutrient-rich and flavorful juices. Its double-layer fine filtration system ensures less pulp and prevents clogging, providing you with a smooth and refreshing juice experience. The juicer is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a detachable filter that makes cleaning straightforward and hassle-free. To maximize the juicer's lifespan, it is recommended to clean it immediately after use, especially when juicing acidic foods, and to avoid using hot water above 50 degrees Celsius.